I now figured out why Iron Man is a turd. I figured it out. And I'm finna show y'all right here, man, just in case anybody else need this information. All right, man, I've been saying for a long time that my small block Chevy truck needs some power. So what I'm finna do is take it, and I already bought a positive traction carrier for it, but I want to see what gear ratio is on the inside of this thing. So and I hadn't changed the rear end fluid in 6 years since I had the truck, so that'll be a perfect opportunity to go in there and see what's in there, so I can know how do I need to adjust. But I think they said it can be a 273 or 308 gear ratio. So y'all already know what's gonna happen on PullsTv. I got a few boxes. We're gonna jump into these boxes. I already opened them, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but we're gonna jump into them boxes, and then yeah, we're gonna get into the video, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, first box is I bought a new cover for it. Let's see, man. Second box is a few quarts of fluid and a new gasket, and I also got some ultra gray to go around that bad boy, and I got some fluid so I can clean it off real good. So we're gonna go get Iron Man fired up. We're gonna get him over here up under the carport because I think it's gonna rain on me, so I'm gonna get it up under here so I'm out of the weather. And we finna get started, man. We're finna see what's in here. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, headed over here to Big Bad Iron Man. So yesterday, man, I was playing around on the ground out here, and as you can see, only one tire really got active out here. Only one tire really slung me some dirt way back here. This side did a little something, but it wasn't really nothing to talk about. So that's definitely a good determining factor that this thing probably ain't nobody never been to the rear end. And I'm thinking it's a 308. I mean a 273, I think they say can be in these things. I'm thinking that's what's in mine, man. So what I'm gonna do is, I know y'all see that new steering wheel on now. Iron Man got the new steering wheel. Let me brighten it up a little bit. There we go. New steering wheel on that bad boy. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Horn worked this time. Yeah. So we're finna get ready to get Iron Man fired up. Got the O'Reilly brake clean and kind of clean that joker out. And yeah, got the ultra gray over there. So we're finna get this thing fired up, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man. I didn't jack Iron Man up under here. Cause Iron Man sit high enough. I ain't gotta jack it up right now. So first thing we're gonna do is, man, spray these bolts. Spray them down. Hopefully that make them a little easier to get them loose. But we gotta figure out what's in here, man, so we can know how I can proceed with it. I know I'm gonna get another Turbo 350 or Turbo 400 built for it. Let me make sure these covers match up too, man. My box set. Make sure these covers are the same. Let's see. That look the same. That's it right there, y'all. That's it. That's it. This one just a little better. I should have went chrome up on the hill. But anyway, we're gonna figure out what size these bolts are, and I'm gonna start getting these bolts off, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We gotta figure out what's in Iron Man. We gotta figure out what back here now for the one wheel peel deal. Y'all stay tuned. back in. I know y'all can see we got the fluid draining out. And yeah, it looks horrible. It looks horrible, man. But I'm gonna let this finish draining out, and then we're gonna pull this cover off, completely off. And I would say clean up the rest of the diff, but I ain't worried about it. I'm gonna clean up the inside of it, and then that's gonna be it. We're gonna let this finish draining, and I'm gonna get ready to. I'm gonna start pulling the cut, taking the bolts out now, cause it's about done. And then we're gonna see what's in this bad boy, and start cleaning it up in there, man, and put the cover back on, and that's gonna be it. We'll know how to move. We'll know if we need to change the gear ratio or what. So all I can say is y'all just stay tuned. Man, I got y'all in here a little closer, cause we finna get ready to pull this bad boy off. And let's see what we got. Somebody had definitely been in this bad boy for sure. But let's get a better look in here, man. Oh. Alright, let's see what kind of numbers I can see on this joker. Oh, this is somewhere. I should be able to see some numbers or something on this thing or something. Tell me what gear ratio is in here. I may end up having to jack it up, and then so I can see, so I can look for a number or something on this thing somewhere. Alright, man, so after a little bit of research, I now figured out what gear ratio I got in here, and I now figured out why Iron Man is a turd. I figured it out, and I'm finna show y'all right here, man, just in case anybody else need this information. I got it for y'all, man. This was a successful day, man. I gotta show y'all this, man. This some good info. Y'all hold tight. Let me turn y'all around to the ring and pinion so I can show y'all what we got. I don't know if y'all can read that or not, but there are some numbers on this pinion, on this ring. The pinion is the other part, but there is a number on here. The number is 1235401. I think that's like the it says GM, so this is an original GM. This is the original ring and pinion out of this truck. They said most trucks have 273s or 308s, but after some research, my gear ratio is 16, which is the pinion. So it's 16 on the pinion, and 41 teeth on the ring right here. So if you divide 41 by 16, that gives you 256, which means, drum roll please, this is a 256 gear ratio in here, and it is 3. Pretty much it was put in here 3, which is March of '83. So this is literally the original 1983 gear out of this truck. And it's a 256. It's got an uncommon ratio, but yeah, man, it's a 256. Like I said, you'll have a part number, and then you'll have like 16 or 13 and 40 or something. You just divide the bigger number into the smaller one, and that gives you your gear ratio, man. So I got a 256 in here. We got to get this 256 out of here, man. That's part of the reason why Iron Man is a turd. So we got that information. I'm gonna finish cleaning up this diff, getting the old gasket from around it, and getting ready to put the new gasket back up here and get it cleaned up. And we're gonna stick this bad boy back on. man, so I got it all cleaned out. So what I'm gonna do is I got a new gasket, and I'm gonna go around with a layer of ultra gray, a real light layer, nothing too crazy. A light layer of ultra gray, and I think the fluid go back in on that side over here. I think I gotta pull the little thing out and fill it up right there. So I think I got it cleaned up pretty good in there for the most part. So yeah, finna put that back on, and we're gonna put the fluid in it. We're gonna make sure everything right. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, we got the wrong cover. I don't know what happened. It looks the same, or maybe I put it on wrong, which I don't think I did. Yeah, it looked pretty much the same. So yeah, man, the bolts aren't lining up, so we're finna go back with the old one. Y'all stay tuned. We're finna do the swap out. New fluid is getting ready to go in. Take an extension, 3/8 drive extension right there. Take a 3/8 drive extension in that, and you pull that out, and you pour your new fluid in right there, man, till it fills up, or till it starts to come out right there, and you're good to go. Alright, man, so doing that did give me some good, valuable information. It did help me figure out why Iron Man is a little bit on the slow side. Iron Man is a little on the slow side, but I'm pretty sure a 256 gear ratio ain't here about none. So we're gonna get that stock unit out of there, and we're gonna put I already got a positive traction unit. I hope it's the right one. I already got a positive traction unit, an Eden unit, and we're gonna go 342 gears in Iron Man. And honestly, man, that's probably gonna be my first mod. Just trying to see what kind of power it pick up just by, you know, changing the gear. So that's probably gonna be the first mod. They're gonna be coming up on Iron Man. I kind of wish I had done this years back when I first got the truck, because the whole time I just been thinking the truck just sorry and just, you know, slow for no reason. But that was a reason, and it was a gear ratio. So anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. PullsTv gone.